Okay. Good night, everyone. My name is Fauzan, and I'm from BSI Margonda. Today, I'm going to presentation about parts of speech and diagram. Parts of speech. It have nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, pronouns, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. And now, nouns. It contains people, places, things. Verbs contains actions and states. Adjective, modifying nouns. Adverbs, modifying verbs. Adjectives, other adverbs. Pronoun, like replacing nouns. Prepositions, showing relationships. Conjunctions, connecting words, phrases, clauses. Interjections, expressing emotion. And now nouns as the noun is words that refer to people, places, things, and ideas. The example is proper nouns, John, London. Common nouns, dog and city. Collective nouns, team and family. Abstract nouns, happiness and freedom. And now it's the verbs. Verbs is words that express actions, events, or states. In the examples, action verbs, run and jump. Speaking verbs, be and seem. Transitive verbs, eat and write. Intransitive verbs, sleep and love. Diagramming sentence helps to visualize the relationship between words and phrases. Summary is understanding part of speech and diagramming sentence can improve your grasp of language structure and syntax. Practice identifying parts of speech and diagramming sentence to enhance your language skills. And now for the part 2. For number 1, the big girl saw Eliezer with a lovable panda recently. The big girl is as noun phrase, the as determiner, big as adjective, girl as noun. Saw Eliezer with a lovable panda recently. Is verb phrase. Saw is verb, Eliezer as noun, with is phrase, as determiner, lovable as adjective, panda as noun. And the noun phrase is a lovable panda. And now for number 2 of part 2 is the new regulations were announced by the government after the economy showed signs of instability. The new regulation as noun phrase, the as determiner, new as adjective, regulation as noun, were announced by the government as verb phrase, were as auxiliary, announced by verbs, is verbs, by as phrase, the as determiner, government as noun. After the economy showed signs of instability, the as determiner, economy as noun, showed as verbs, signs as noun, of as phrase, instability as noun. Okay. Next is number 3 from part 2 is the man who has arrested last night had been hiding in the abandoned warehouse for weeks. The noun phrase is the man who was arrested last night. The as determiner, man as noun, sentence who was arrested last night. Our purpose is had been hiding in the abandoned warehouse for weeks. Had been as auxiliary, hiding as verbs, in as phrase, the as determiner, abandoned as adjective, warehouse as noun, for is phrase, and weeks is noun phrase. Now it's number 4 from part 2 is although the match was delayed due to rain, the players continued their routine. The noun phrase is the match. The as determiner, match as noun. Verb phrase is was delayed due to rain. Was as auxiliary, delayed as verb due to adjective, to rain as paraphrase. The players is as noun phrase. The as determiner, players as noun. Continued their warm-up routine as verb phrase. Continued is verb. There as determiner, warm-up is adjective, routine as noun. And now the last is number 5. Book that was recommended by the professor has been borrowed by several students. The book that was recommended by the professor has been borrowed by several students. Okay, just that for me. See you next time. Thank you.